Okay, wait, I think I just found the easiest way to boost my workouts without chugging another pre-workout. So I've been using Hype Fuel Gummy Boost before.
You can now create hyper-realistic UGC ads with AI. No models, no cameras, and no expensive photo shoots. And here's the truth. If you're not using AI in advertising today, you're already getting left behind. In this video, I'll show you how to make AI-generated UGC ads and how to sell them as a service on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to brands. With the right tools, you don't need a physical product. You don't need a real influencer. We'll generate both from scratch, just like professional agencies do when they test ad concepts before spending a single dollar on production. Let's build this campaign the way the pros do. Let's go. Step 1. The product brief without a product. When a real brand wants an ad, they don't start with models or cameras. They start with a product brief. What are we selling? Who is buying it? And why should anyone care? Since we're creating a sample ad for our portfolio, we'll make our own product, because in an actual project, the company would already provide one. So here, we'll let AI act as our brand strategist and help us design a custom product concept. To do that, simply copy and paste a prompt into ChatGPT. The full prompt is already available in the Telegram channel, but it goes like this. Create a product concept for a fitness supplement brand that feels energetic, bold, and youth-focused. The product must be a gummy supplement that boosts performance and recovery. Name the product, describe its flavor, packaging style, target audience personality, and a one-sentence brand slogan. Make sure the product is described on a plain background as a prompt to generate an image generator. Once ChatGPT gives you that product concept, copy the generated prompt and paste it into any image generator of your choice. I'll be using Google ImageFX, but you can use Leonardo AI or Nano Banana Pro through Veo 3. Just paste the prompt, choose portrait or landscape, and click generate. We're not copying any real brand here. We're building mock products, the same way agencies create spec ads to win million-dollar contracts. You can also ask ChatGPT to create 10 product concepts at once and use them to build a portfolio of UGC samples you can sell on Fiverr or Upwork. In a real project, the company gives you the product. Here, we're building samples to get hired. Step 2. The influencer we just invented. Once we have a product, real marketing agencies usually bring in influencers, models, athletes, or someone who represents the brand. But in our case, our influencer doesn't exist, and they don't need to. We're going to design one from scratch, the same way movies create characters. To do that, we'll let ChatGPT build a realistic fitness persona for us. Simply copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Create a realistic human persona, influencer, who fits the product's branding. Describe their age, gender, athletic level, personality, photography style, and why they align with the brand. Keep details natural and not exaggerated. Someone believable enough to be a fitness creator in a 9:16 aspect ratio, just him alone, without holding any product in his hands. This should be a prompt for an image generator. When ChatGPT generates the persona prompt, copy it, take it into Google ImageFX, paste it, choose portrait as the aspect ratio, and hit generate. It usually takes only a few seconds, and honestly, that's still faster than waiting for a real model to send photos on time. Normally, we'd need a photographer, lighting, a studio, a model, and a product shipped to them. Here, we're getting an entire photo shoot done while sitting in a chair, and now we've got a brand, product, and a believable influencer. None of it is real, yet it's real enough to sell. Step 3. Creating the influencer plus product shot, like a real agency. In traditional advertising, the brand brings two things to the table: a product and a creator who represents it. We're doing the same, except both are being generated with AI. To combine them realistically, we first ask ChatGPT for a photo direction, the same kind of creative brief an agency would hand to a photographer. The prompt should be copied into ChatGPT exactly as follows. Write a realistic photo prompt showing our chosen influencer holding our product naturally. Include lighting, pose, environment, facial expression, camera lens type, and realistic proportions. Just as it is in the 2 uploaded reference images, the style should be cinematic but believable. Keep the model exactly consistent with the provided persona in the reference image, with no exaggerated muscles or unrealistic body features. This prompt becomes our shot blueprint. It's not the final image, it's the instructions that we take into NanoBan, preferably LM Arena, which serves as our photographer, our studio, our lighting crew, and our model director all at once. Inside LM Arena, all we do is upload the product reference, upload the influencer reference, paste the blueprint prompt, and click generate. Within seconds, we get a realistic product photo without a camera, without a studio, without a real product, and without a real influencer. The result looks like a paid UGC collaboration, and this is where the value begins. This isn't just a fun AI trick. It becomes a portfolio sample that you can sell as a service on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to e-commerce brands. Real companies pay for this because it eliminates thousands of dollars in photography, weeks of production time, and expensive contracts with influencers. A single image created this way is already worth money, but photos alone don't close sales. Videos do. And that's exactly what we're going to create next. Step 4, writing the ad script plus turning into a talking video. VO3 workflow. In real freelance work, brands usually provide a script before any ad is produced, and that script includes the essentials: features, benefits, pain points, and a call to action. In the best scenario, a client simply sends you a Google Doc and says, "Here's the script. Can you turn this into a TikTok-style UGC ad?" If they don't have a script, that becomes an upsell you can charge extra for. Or you can let ChatGPT act as your copywriter. For our example, we'll ask ChatGPT to do it for us by using this instruction. Using the product concept and brand voice you created earlier, write a short 20 to 25 second UGC script for a TikTok Reel ad. It should sound like a real person talking into their phone. Start with a strong hook, explain why they like the product, and end with a simple call to action. Keep the tone natural and casual. Once ChatGPT generates that script, we now have everything needed to move into production: a product, a believable influencer persona, a realistic product photo, and a 20 to 25 second UGC script ready to perform on camera. This is exactly what you would present to a client by saying, "Here's the script and the visuals I'll base your ad on." Now it's time to bring our AI influencer to life. Step 5, animating the creator using VO3, frames to video. To animate our AI influencer and make them speak, we'll be using VO3 in the frames to video mode. The part most people never explain is that we don't feed VO full paragraphs. We feed the script in short chunks of about 24 words at a time, and we always upload the same frame every time so the face remains consistent throughout the ad. We don't add camera instructions, lighting notes, or emotion descriptions because the dialogue itself controls the character's expression automatically. Once you're inside VO3, make sure you select frames to video, set it to VO 3.1, choose the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio, and switch the quality to VO 3 fast. It uses fewer credits, and the quality is still just as good for UGC ads. Upload the frame we generated from Nano Banana, then paste your 24-word section of the script. When doing this, always begin with he say for a male influencer, or she say for a female influencer. And at the end of the dialogue, insert the phrase "no subtitle," so Veo doesn't add any awkward text on screen. After that, click Generate and let it process. Veo is doing all the work that would normally require renting a gym, hiring a camera crew, paying a model, setting up lights, and scheduling a shoot. And we're getting it done by simply waiting. Once the clip is finished, review it. If the lip movement and expression look natural, we keep it. If something feels off, regenerate it again until you get a clean, believable result. Clients don't pay for perfection, they pay for delivery, but that delivery still needs to look professional. After downloading the clip, repeat the exact same process for the next 24 words, always using the same reference frame. Portrait mode does not support Scene Builder, so we create each chunk individually. When all clips are done, we'll stitch them together and add subtitles, music, and a call to action inside CapCut, turning it into a complete, sellable UGC ad. Step 6, editing, finishing, and delivering the final UGC-able version. Now that you have your talking clips from VO3, it's time to edit them into a polished, high-converting UGC ad. Use CapCut or any editor you prefer, but focus on creating an ad that performs. Add clean subtitles that match the speech, keep the pacing tight, use brand colors in your text, include energetic but subtle background music, highlight key product benefits with quick pop-ups, and end with a strong call to action. Start by importing your clips in script order, add bold and readable subtitles, incorporate micro highlights like sugar-free, vegan fast absorption, or tastes great, choose casual modern background music, and finish with a simple CTA such as try it now, get yours today, or a discount code. Export everything in 9:16 1080 x 1920 for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and ads. When delivering to clients, package the final video like a professional studio. Include the final MP4, voiceover script, AI creator reference photos, product visuals generated from Nano Banana, raw VO clips if needed, and a usage rights statement licensing the content for paid ads and organic social use. This positions you as a creative partner, not just a freelancer. The value comes from delivering the full package: script, model, product visuals, video ad, and rights documentation. Replacing what would normally require an influencer, studio lighting, a camera crew, an editor, and a copywriter. You're not selling an AI video, you're selling complete production. If you want a breakdown of pricing, client negotiation, and how to close your first paid UGC project using this system, type AI clients in the comments.